Okay, hello everyone here. Today I'm going to show you how to create a T-Rex like this. In this tutorial I used Stardust plugin with OBJ File. It's very simple, it's very easy, and let's go. Okay, now new composition, make it full HD, then press OK. Go to layer, new, solid, and background. Name it background. Then go to effect, generate, for color generate. Then choose your colors. Okay, I'll choose this color and the yellow one first. Will be blue. Yes, and the rose. Yes, maybe like this. Yes. Okay, and the last one, keep dark blue. Yes. Then go to effect, color correction, and curves, and yes, and this is our background. Okay, perfect. Okay, now go to layer, new, solid, and name it Stardust. Stardust. Yes, then press OK. Go to effects and presets and type Stardust. Yes, perfect. Okay, now go to emitter type and choose box. Then go to size and increase X, Y, and Z size, like maybe Y. Yes. Then go to particle and particle size and 1. Make it 1 right now. Size random 60. Again, go to emitter particle per seconds, maybe like this, and now make size maybe 2. Life seconds, maybe 3. Yes. Okay. Then again go to emitter speed, make it 0. Yes. Now go to color. Okay. Choose your color. Okay. I'll choose this color and yes. Go to overlay, opacity overlay, presets, and choose maybe this one, and yes, I think it's perfect for now. Okay. Again, go to particle and maybe it's good right now. Yes. Okay. Now create a new emitter and particle. Okay. Okay. Go to emitter type and now we will choose object. Okay, go to all and now we will choose this file. Okay, then go to speed 0 and size X, increase size X like this. Okay, go to particle size and make it maybe 1 right now. Okay, and live seconds 7. Go to emitter and okay, particles per second and yes. Now go to layer, new camera, then press OK. Okay. Now take your track camera, yes, like this. Okay. I think it's, I don't know. Okay. Yes, this is our TRex. Yes. Okay. Again, go to particle and choose your color. I will choose this color. I like this one. Yes. Perfect. Then go to size random 60 and over live presets. Yes. Maybe yes, like this. Also opacity presets and yes, I think it's perfect now. Again, go to emitter and emitter per seconds. I will increase it. Particle again. Live seconds, increase live second, maybe yes, it's perfect. Now it's perfect. Okay, now create a new emitter and particle. Okay. Go to emitter type and sphere. Okay. Now go to particle and particle properties, maybe size 2. Okay, and live make it 4. Now go to create a new turbulence and go to noise scale and increase noise scale, also increase position offset. Okay, again go to emitter size X, make it 200, Y also 200, and size Z 200. Okay, go to speed, maybe 10, then particle per second. Yes, particle per second. Yes, then go to emitter XY. Yes, make it like this. Then go to turbulence again and position offset, make it 0 now, and again. Yes. Yes. Particle per second, maybe 1. Yes. Now go to particle and random from generate and choose your colors. I'll choose, yes, like this, new one, and maybe this color. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yes, it's better. Okay. Now Control D to copy. Okay. Okay, go to emitter and XY, increase XY. Increase XY. Yes. Like this. Yes. Now maybe size X. Yes, like this. Okay. Now go to this and drag Stardust like this. Okay. Again, go to emitter per second. And also per second. 2000. Yes, I think it's okay. Now go to camera. Okay, camera and null object. Okay, press R and make sure that you are in the first frame and go few frames and increase Y rotation like this. Yes. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it by this tutorial. If you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye. وكده احنا خلصنا. باي باي باي.